students, let us solve another word problem based on the concept arithmetic progression from class 10th. Question is, Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday is minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. So in this question, Kargil's temperature from Monday to Saturday are recorded and it is given that all readings were in AP. So we have to use this to find the temperatures of all other 5 days because the temperature on Wednesday is given, that's minus 30 degrees Celsius. Now here it is given that all readings were in AP. So as all readings are in AP, for that AP, let A be the first term of that AP and D be the common difference. Now let us consider 6 days from Monday to Saturday. Now it is given that this is an AP which has the first term A. That means the temperature on Monday, that would be the first term of given AP, and the first term we have supposed to be A. So on Monday, let us consider the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius. Now to find the temperature on Tuesday, we have to just add the common difference to the first term, and the first term here is A. So to find the temperature on Tuesday, it should be A plus D because D is a common difference and this is an AP. That's why if we add the common difference to the first term, we get the second term. Similarly, to get the third term, we should add the common difference to the previous one. That is, we should add D to A plus D. So A plus D, that should be A plus 2D. In the same way, to find the fourth term, that is the temperature on Thursday, we should add again D to the previous term. That means we have to add D to A plus D. So that addition should be A plus 3D. In the same way, temperature on Friday, that is the fifth term, should be A plus 4D and the sixth term should be A plus 5D. So these are the temperatures we get from Monday to Saturday as all the readings are in AP. Now we have to find the values of A and D firstly to find the temperatures on all the remaining 5 days. For that we have to use what is given to us. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. Now if we consider the temperature on Monday, that is 5, and temperature on Saturday is A plus 5D. So if we add these two, this A plus 5D, that is equal to, it is given that is equal to sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So on Tuesday we have A plus D plus A plus 5D. So that would be the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. And it is given that sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than that of on Tuesday and Saturday. So we have to add 5 to it. Now if we simplify this one, we get A plus A, that's 2A plus 5D as it is equal to, again A plus A, that's 2A plus D plus 5D, that's 6D plus 5. On both the sides 2A will get cancelled, and if we take 6D to the left hand side, it would be 5D minus 60, that is equal to 5. So 5D minus 60, that's minus D is equal to 5. If we change signs on both the sides, we get D is equal to minus 5. Now the temperature of Wednesday is given to be minus 30 degrees Celsius. So we have to use this one. The temperature on Wednesday we have assumed to be A plus 2D and it is given to be minus 30 degrees Celsius. So we have equation A plus 2D is equal to minus 30. Now here we have found the value of D, that's minus 5. So we'll replace here D by minus 5 to get the equation A plus 2 into D, that is 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 30. So 2 into minus 5, that's minus 10. That is A minus 10 is equal to minus 30. If you take minus 10 to the right hand side, it will be plus 10. To get A is equal to minus 30 plus 10. And minus 30 plus 10, that's equal to minus 20. So this is the value of the variable A. That means the first term in this AP is minus 20. Now as we have the first term, that is minus 20. The common difference T. We can have all the terms in this given AP. So we have these 6 days for which the temperature of Kargil is recorded, and we have suppose temperatures on respective days are A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. For all these variables A and D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference, we have found that we have to just replace here. So A, that is the first term, we have just found to be minus 20. So on temperature on Monday was minus 20 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday we have A plus D, that means we have equation A plus D, that is minus 20 minus 5 is equal to minus 25. So on Tuesday the temperature was minus 25 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday we have A plus 2D, and the temperature on Wednesday, which is given already in this question, though if we calculate by this formula we get minus 20 plus 2 into D, that is 2 into minus 5, minus 20 minus 10, that is equal to minus 30. So this is the temperature on Wednesday. On Thursday the temperature was A plus 3D. So A should be replaced by minus 20 and D should be replaced by minus 5. So minus 20 plus 3 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 20, plus minus product would be minus 15. So minus 20 minus 15, that's minus 35 degrees Celsius. So this was the temperature on Thursday. On Friday we have A plus 4D. So again in the same way A is replaced by minus 20 and D by minus 5 to get this expression. So minus 20 minus 4 into 5, that's 20, minus 20 minus 20, that's minus 40. So this was the temperature on Friday. And in the same way on the Saturday we have expression A plus 5D. So A is replaced by minus 20 and D is replaced by minus 5. So minus 20 plus minus product will be minus 5 into 5, that's 25, minus 20 minus 25, that's minus 45. So minus 45 degree was the temperature on Saturday. So these are the temperatures recorded on other 5 days.